As per this new Ministry of Road Transportation Highways, they have provided on one thing, that is a new lane. What is this lane is? This is an exclusive lane that is earned mark for global navigation satellite system onboard unit fitted in a vehicle. So it is be fitted. If it been fitted and this vehicle enter into it, there is no need of this open close lane and all. Automatically, as the car moves on, they can this toll fees will be collected. The second thing is, if any vehicles which go to through this specific exclusive lane without this global nav, it's like without the plate, the normal plate which has been provided this automatic system, they will be provided the penalty of two times the user applicable for late fees. And there's a thing, and the rule 9 says a driver or owner or person charge a mechanical vehicle other than the national permit vehicle who makes use of the same section of national highways and permanent bridge bypass or tunnels as may be shall leave the zero user fee up to 20 kilometers of journey in each direction in a day under the global navigation system based on the user collection fee system. It is distance travels more than 20 kilometers, then fees will be charged in the actual distance. So as per the distance traveled in this highways, this is automatically the fees will be calculated and it will give. So up to 20 kilometers up and down in a road, it will not be through the toll. There will be no charge. Such a way, this new system is coming on. It's a very good system, and thank you, government.